Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 376. Swap out the default agent. It is very easy to create the default agent in Power Pages that knows about the site content and Dataverse data. But what if you want to create an advanced agent from scratch? The good news is, Power Pages allows you to insert your own agent on the site in just a few steps. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Let's assume you've got your agent all built in Copilot Studio. We need to grab the schema name by going to Settings and selecting the Advanced page. You can find the schema name in the Metadata section. Now, let's go to the Design Studio. In the Setup workspace, on the Agents page, add your agent and select the appropriate web roles. Finally, let's go to the Data workspace. The next steps are different depending on whether you're using the Enhanced Data Model or the Standard Data Model. Here, we'll be using the Enhanced Data Model. So, we'll search for the Site Component table and filter the Component Type column to show Bought Consumer rows. Select the row for the site that you're updating the agent for, and update the bought schema name JSON value to be the schema name we grabbed at the beginning. The steps are similar, but slightly different for the standard data model. Check out the Microsoft documentation for the specifics. With that change in place, the agent loaded by default on your Power Pages site should be your custom agent. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 376 on swap out the default agent useful.